In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 smoothies to lose belly fat fast recipes. In a moment, I'm going to show you how one simple eating habit adjustment will make you lose 2 pounds a day consistently. Losing weight is hard. It's not easy to stick with a diet for an extended period of time, and it can be even harder to find the right smoothie recipes that are healthy, but also taste good. Smoothies are the perfect addition to any weight loss diet because they're so versatile. You can mix and match ingredients until you find the smoothie combination that works best for your specific needs. Here are some of our favorite smoothies that will help you lose belly fat. 1. Peach and Mango Smoothie. This smoothie combines 2 different sweet fruits that will help you shed those extra pounds quickly. To make peach and mango smoothie, blend together 8 ounces of vanilla yogurt, a cup of peaches, a cup of mangoes, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed and ice until smooth. 2. Strawberry Banana Protein Smoothie. Strawberries are good for you. Bananas are good for you, so why not combine them? By adding in some protein powder, this smoothie will help keep you full all morning. To make the smoothie, blend together 8 ounces of almond milk, 1 banana, 1/2 cup of strawberries and 1 to 2 scoops of your favorite vanilla protein powder until smooth. 3. Kale and Blueberry Smoothie. This smoothie is full of fiber, protein, and antioxidants that will fill you up for hours. To make this smoothie, blend together 8 ounces of orange juice, 1/2 cup raw kale leaves, a banana, 1/2 cup blueberries and ice until smooth. 4. Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. Chocolate and peanut butter, need we say more? By adding a bit of ice cream into this smoothie, you'll get decadent flavors without all of the fat. To make this smoothie, blend together 8 ounces of chocolate almond milk, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons creamy peanut butter and ice until smooth. 5. Apple, Spinach and Flaxseed Smoothie. Green smoothies can be a little intimidating for some people, but don't worry, this smoothie is delicious. By adding flaxseed to your smoothie, you'll get omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to reduce inflammation, which leads to more weight loss. And now, I'm going to show you how one simple eating habit adjustment will make you lose 2 pounds a day consistently. Have you heard of intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of fasting and eating. One of the most popular protocol is time-restricted feeding, that is limiting the window of time during which you eat to a few hours each day. For example, only eating between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. each day. My experience with intermittent fasting has been pretty solid. I've been losing an average of 2 pounds a day, combined with a high-fat diet. So, what do you think of the recipes that I shared? Pick one that contains the ingredients that you're familiar with, and try it and see if you like the taste. Let me know in the comments section below. In the next video, I'm going to dive deep into how to lose weight fast with smoothies. Please subscribe if you find the video helpful, as it will help the channel grow. See you in the next one.